Hi everyone, welcome back to GSB Commerce Academy. This is G SAIBABU, Commerce Lecturer. In the last class, we have discussed Commerce first unit, Introduction to Business, the most important 2 marks questions. Today, I'm going to explain about the fundamentals of business, very most important 5 marks questions. So, first of all, what is the meaning of business? So, business, it is, I already explained. According to the LH Honey defined the business it is a human activity. It is directed towards producing or acquiring the wealth through the buying and selling of the goods and services. And the business, it is a economic activity. It is making the profits by manufacturing the goods and services or buying and selling of the goods and services. The main objective of the business is profit maximization. And what are the main characteristics of the business, or what are the main features of the business here? The first one is the business is an economic activity. I said already in the last class, the business it is an economic activity. The human activities can be classified 2 types, economic activities and non-economic activities. The business comes under the economic activity category. Business is an economic activity. Why I'm saying business is an economic activity here? Whenever we want to start any business, it requires the huge money. And whenever we have to do the any business related activities or transactions, it needs more money. And without money, there is no business. And without money, there is no business, any activity. Means the business activities, for example, the production, distribution, and exchanging of the goods and services, or selling of the goods and services, these all are the activities related to the money related activities. So here, so that we have saying these all are the business is economic activity. And the business, it is performed with the main motto is that is earning of the profits or earning of the money. So these all are the activities in terms of, for example, production, distribution, selling, and exchanging of the goods and services, it including in these money related activities under the business. And the second most important feature, it is the dealing with goods and services. After the manufacturing of the goods and services in every business, we want to, the intention is sold the goods to the human beings. Here, after the production of the goods and services or buying of the goods and services, with the intention is selling the goods to the other persons for the earning the more profits. So the business, it deals with the goods and services. And also it is the business is providing the best quality of the goods and services to the human beings for earning the more profits and the minimization of the cost and maximization of the more profits. That is. And the third feature is the creation of utilities. The creation of utilities is, this is one of the features. Utilities is nothing but it is the satisfying power of human needs, wants, desires, and preferences. Here, the business makes goods more useful to satisfying the human needs, wants, desires, and taste and preferences. The utilities may add time utility, place utility, form utility, and possession utilities, these utilities to the various types of the goods. And the fourth feature of the or characteristics of the business is the continuity in dealings. Business is running long-term nature, and the business is doing these transactions long-term nature, and it runs the forever. The business, it is manufacturing the goods and services and buying and selling of the goods and services. It use the better quality of the raw material and producing the high quality of the products to the human beings with the minimization of the cost and for earning of the more profits. With this intention, the business can run long-term nature, and the business can run forever for earning of the more profits. And business can run to the introduction of the more business branches throughout the world. With that intention, it is earning the more profits. This is the one of the feature of the business, that is continuity in takings. And a very important feature, that is the profit motive. Every business, they are starting with the intention of earning of the more profits. And also minimization of the cost. This is the main objective of the every business. The primary objective or main objective of the business is the earning the more profits. With that intention, it is providing the best quality of the services and best quality of the goods and services to the every human beings with the minimization of the cost. And the sixth, the feature is risk and uncertainty. So here the business, it cannot get the profits always, and it gets some situations face the some losses also. Here the business involves some element of the risk and uncertainty. Uncertainty is, it is nothing but the future, it is an uncertainty. Don't know about the future anyone. The business proprietor is ready to bear the risk. When you have ready to face the more risk, at that situation only you can get the more profits. So here risk means it is the possibility of occurring of the losses, and it implies the uncertainty of the profits. The profits is mainly depends upon the efforts of the businessman. Here when the business gets the more profits, here the businessman or proprietor when takes the more efforts, when takes the good decisions and take the innovation with the bearing of the risk, at that situation only the proprietor will get the more profits. These all are the features or characteristics of the business. What is the meaning and the characteristics of the business? This is very most important question in the examination point of view, students. And the next second 5 marks question, describe the various objectives of the business. What are the main objectives of your business? Here, these business features question very important for the degree students also. All students watch my video. The second question, this is the describe the various objectives of your business. Here, the already explained the business meaning, and here the what is the main primary objective of the business is to earn the more profits or maximization of the profits with the minimization of the costs. This is the main objective of the business. These all are the objectives are broadly classified into 4 categories. Those are the economic objectives, social objectives, human objectives, and national objectives. These are all are the main 4 types of the objectives of the every business. First one is the business economic objectives. So business is an economic activity. Every business, they wants to earning the more profits with the minimization of the cost, with the using of the best quality of the raw material, with the minimization of the cost. It is sold the with the intention of selling off more products and earning the more profits. So here basically the business is economic activity. Therefore, it is the primary objective is economic in nature. The main objective of the business as are follows: the earning the more profits. Earning the more profits. Here, using of the raw material, best raw material with the minimization of the cost, producing the best quality of the goods and services to the every human beings and earning the more profits. This is the one of the economic objective of the business. And creating the customers. Creating the customers is nothing but with the providing of the best quality of the products to the every human beings and to reach the new customers. Attracting the new customers. Based on that, you have to provide the good quality of the goods and services. And the next feature is the very important. Next objective is the innovation. Innovation is nothing but the creation of the best quality of the goods and use the innovation technology while production of the goods and services. and you have to provide the innovation products to the human beings. At that situation, the business can get the more profits. And the optimum utilization of the resources. Optimum utilization of the resources is nothing but in the business organization, we have the several types of the resources: financial resources, human resources, natural resources. You can use those resources optimum for the getting of the more profits. And the second objective is the social objective. The business is a part of the society, and it cannot survive and grow without the support of the society. Business must therefore discharge social responsibilities in addition to the earning of the profits. In the process of earning the more profits, you can follow some of the social responsibilities. You have to provide the good quality of the services to the society. And this is the social objective. First one is the supplying of desired goods and services at reasonable prices. You can provide the good desired and human being, what are the products are desired, needs, wants, those goods and services you can provide at reasonable prices based on the demand and supply. And also the second one is the fair remuneration. Fair remuneration is nothing but in this business organization, all the several types of the employees is worked to the employees. The business can provide the fair remuneration to the employees. You can provide the paid salaries to the employees, and also employment generation. With this business, the business can provide the employment, creation of the more employment to the every human being. This is the employment generation. This is the one of the social objective. Next one, promotion of social welfare. And the next third objective is the human objective. Business is run by people and for the people. For wealth and profit maximization of any business can positively match. Welfare of the employees, this is the human objective. Development of the human resources, participative management, labor and management cooperation. These all are the four types of human objectives. And the national objectives. The national objectives of the business are as follows: optimum utilization of the resources. Optimum utilization of the resources is nothing but you can use the efficient and effective utilization of the all financial resources, natural resources, finance and human resources in this business organization for earning of the more profits. And development of the micro, small, medium enterprises. Development of background areas. So whenever we have to establish any business in the rural areas, okay, indirectly you can provide the job opportunities to the rural areas people. So at that situation, the rural areas people, they can get the more job opportunity, so it can develop the background areas. And the next national objective, that is a national self-reliance. So these all are the four objectives of the business organization. First one, economic objective. Second one, social objective. Third one, human objective. Fourth one is the national objective. This is also very, very important question, students. All of you watch this video. And the next question is the describe what are the classifications of human activities. What are the classifications of human activities? Here, all of the human activities mainly begins performed their daily life. What are the activities? Daily life activities are all are the called human activities. The human activities mainly classified into two types of the activities. That is the economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities, it is nothing but all are the activities undertaken with the aim of earning of the profits. These all are the activities are economic activities. So here, when you have to do the any activities, it includes the money related activities. Those all are the activities are called economic activities. The first one, economic activities can be classified three parts. The first one is the business, second one is the profession, third one is the employment. These are three types of economic activities. So the business, it is an economic activity. I already told you in the previous classes. So business is economic activity. It is making the profits by manufacturing the goods and services or buying and selling of the goods and services. The main objective of the business is profit maximization. And the profession. Profession is an occupation It is an vocation interested in the rendering of personal service in a specialized knowledge of particular expert nature. This is the profession. For example, profession, lawyer is a profession, doctor is a profession, chartered accountant is a profession. And third economic activity, employment. Employment is the relationship between the two parties. One party is the employer, another party is the employee. The employer is providing the job opportunity. The employee is rendering his services on contractual basis. For performing such activities, the employee receives the remuneration in the form of salary and wages. This employment agreement, contractual agreement, may be oral or written form. Hence, the relationship between the two parties, that is employer and employee relationship. So this is the economic activity, 3 types. And the second human activity, that is a non-economic activity. Non-economic activities. The activity is performed voluntarily by the human being out of the love and affection, charity of the sympathy, blood relation, religious obligation, and patriotism. These all are the non-economic activities. So it's not include the money related activities. It will provide the free of services to the any human being. These all are the 3 types of questions. Describe the classifications of human activities and the describe the various objectives of the business and what is meaning of the business, definition of business, explain the characteristics of the business. This is 3 are the questions are most important in the unit 1, fundamentals of business or introduction to business. These are the most important for the examination point of view, students. All of you watch my video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.